Unlock your Nikon Z8's full potential by securing it within the protective embrace of a SmallRig cage, paving the way for incredible accessory expansion. First, let's get this base plate attached to line the camera's 1/420th screw mount with the threaded hole on the SmallRig base plate. Gently screw it in until snug, ensuring the camera is firmly seated on the plate. Now, carefully slide your Nikon Z8 into the cage, aligning the camera body with the sidebar supports. You'll feel it settle into place, confirming a secure fit. Locate the larger M5 screw on the side of the cage and its corresponding threaded hole on the camera's left side. Insert the screw and use the included hex wrench to tighten it securely. This locks the camera firmly in position. Next, attach the top plate. Align its 1/420th screw with the camera's top accessory mount. Tighten it firmly using the hex wrench to create a stable, elevated platform. With the cage fully installed, you've created a robust foundation for your filmmaking and photography adventures, ready for handles, monitors, microphones, and more.